All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the noise filter. So let's go to the 04 distill filter here, and we're going to close that out. I'll do File, Open, and let's grab the 3D filter. We're going to hit Control-Shift-S, and we'll do 05 Noise Filter. I'll hit Save, and then what we're going to do is we're going to select the rectangle 2 here. We'll go to Filter, and let's add a little noise. Okay. So we can go all the way to 400, which basically turns it to white and then a lot of different colors, or you can go left. It'll kind of keep the original colors of the object here, but the more you go to the right, the more it distorts it, basically. You can do Gaussian or you can do uniform. And so I'll hit OK, and then let's zoom in a little bit and look at that. That looks cool, actually. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring that over here. We can turn off the noise. We're going to hold Alt, click and drag, and then we'll turn on noise for this one. And then here, I'm going to delete the, we'll just keep it deselected. And then what I'm going to do is go to Filter, we'll go to Noise, and Des Peckle. Okay, don't even know what that is, honestly. Let's see here. Let's go to Dust and Scratches. Okay, so we'll kind of give this a little more. It did something to it. Let's do Filter, Noise, and then we're going to do Median. Okay. There you go. I'll hit OK, and then let's do Filter and Noise and do Reduce Noise. Okay. So we can bump down the strength, preserve details, reduce color noise, sharpen details. So, and then you can do Advanced. You can do per channel. We'll just keep it to basic. Hit OK, and hit Control-S to save. And there you go. That's the noise filter. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.